Hello everyone, this is Nissy from COUTIF Japan. Today I'm going to share with you a simple way to track performance data using Google Workspace apps. The combination of Google Forms and Google Sheet is the most practical and efficient tool for little business use. Let's start by taking a look at an actual example from my company in Japan. Sorry, this part in Japanese, okay? This is concrete examples. Enter the day of, select the type of leave, and for this case, choose absent. Then select the name and enter the reason for the absence. Okay, so finally press submit. This will be linked to the spreadsheet, and you can see the final summary on the aggregate sheet. In my company in Japan, we use this sheet for performance management. So today we focus on combining forms and sheet to visualize performance data. Let's dive in! First, let's set up Google Forms and Google Sheet. For example, let's say your company operates a call center. So first, let's open Google Forms. Open Google App Launcher in the top right corner and click the purple Google Forms icon. This one. And click blank to create a new form. Okay? So after that, let's add the necessary fields. Let's name this form an activity report. Then click the file name in the top left, and it will automatically apply the same name. Okay? Now let's add the necessary fields. Okay? So first and date, and click plus, and the name. So you choose this drop down, and Alex, Anna, Nissy, Daniel. Okay. So one more click, number of calls, and plus deals closed, and last one, activity hours. That's it. Activity report includes date and name and number of calls, and deals closed, activity hours, okay? Then link it to Google Sheets. Click responses and link to Sheets. And create a new one. That's it, 80% done. And then publish and share the form. Now you can publish the form you just made so other team members can use it. By default, Google Workspace limits access to your company's domain, but you can choose from the following options. So look at the manage. In this field, responded view, you can choose restricted. Restricted is for only invited members, and Kuka Edit is the same domain members, and anyone with the link means all people in the world, okay? So this time, let's restrict access to invited members only, and add their names, Alex and Amna, and responder, and click share. You can create messages. Okay, and click publish and notify. That's it. So now you can enter the data from your smartphone. In RX account, I received the email from Ryo Nishihara. So fill out in Google Forms. So I click this and open the Google Forms. Now I can enter the data. Let's try submitting data using my smartphone. Okay? So I have done, and since the form works on any browser, you can access it from any device, PC and smartphone and tablet, okay. So look at this. As we enter data, we can see the records updating in real time on screen. It's amazing. Next, we create a summary sheet. Now let's organize the collected data into an easy-to-read summary. In the same spreadsheet, add a new tab for performance tracking. We'll keep it simple this time. The formulas commonly used include XLOOKUP, COUNTIF, and SUMIF. By the way, I'll cover more formulas in detail in another video, so stay tuned. So let's add same columns we use in Google Forms. So name, days, active, calls made, and deals closed, and hours worked. Now, let's input the names in column A. Alex, Anna, Nissy, Daniel. That's it. Here we set the magic to automate data calculation. To count days active, we use COUTIF. COUTIF counts the number of times that a specific value appears in the data. In this case, it counts how many times Alex is recorded. So let's use COUTIF formula equal COUTIF bracket, select the range, the name range, and comma, double quotation, Alex, double quotation bracket. Now we can calculate the days active. In other way, you can select the cell with the person's name directory. Here we delete the double quotation, select the cell A2, and which is equal as Alex. So selecting the cell, you can just copy the formula you just added. It will apply to the following cells as well. To calculate the calls made, we use SUMIF. SUMIF formula is equal SUMIF bracket, data range, comma, the name is Alex, and comma, number of calls range, okay? SUMIF as a values that match a specific condition. In this case, summing up all calls made by Alex, okay? So let's use the SUMIF formula equal SUMIF bracket, select name range, comma, select the name A2, comma, select the number of calls data range, and bracket, and enter. So you can calculate the numbers of calls made by Alex. So you copy it. Copy and apply the same method for deals, close, and hours worked using SUMIF, okay? Finally, let's format the sheets more nicely and make it easy to read. Okay, and that's it. The system is complete. Now, whenever team members input their activity data, the summary table will update in real time. Once you understand this structure, you can apply it to various business cases such as tracking hiring performance or managing customer complaint records, and much more. Start using this system tomorrow and make your workflow more efficient. I'll continue sharing helpful Google Workspace tips, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.